Welcome to another exciting day of learning. I am Syed Zohair Ali from Class 5B. I am student of Balance Facilitation Center, Sialkot Cantt.
You know, Zohair, today we're going on an exciting adventure into the world of measurement. Measurement is all around us, and it's a crucial part of our everyday lives. Get ready to discover how we use math to understand the size, weight, and temperature of everything around us. From the length of a pencil to the weight of a watermelon, measurement helps us make sense of the world.
This journey will take us from the kitchens where we bake delicious treats, like cookies and cakes, using precise measurements of ingredients, to the grocery stores where we buy our favorite fruits and vegetables. We'll learn how to weigh apples, measure the length of cucumbers, and even calculate the cost of our groceries.
We'll even travel across vast distances, all thanks to the power of measurement. Imagine measuring the distance between cities, countries, and even continents. It's amazing how numbers can help us understand the world.
So, buckle up and get ready to explore the fascinating world of numbers and their role in our daily lives. We'll use rulers, scales, thermometers, and more to uncover the secrets of measurement.
Let's begin this incredible journey together. Are you ready, young mathematicians? Let's dive into the world of measurement and see what amazing things we can discover. Measurement is like a superpower that helps us understand the world around us. It's a fundamental skill that we use every day, often without even realizing it. From the moment we wake up and check the time, to cooking our meals, and even when we play sports, measurement is all around us. It's how we figure out how big or small things are, whether it's the length of a pencil or the height of a building. Measurement helps us make sense of the physical dimensions of objects. It also tells us how heavy or light they feel, which is crucial for everything from weighing ingredients for a recipe to determining the weight of luggage before a trip, and even how hot or cold they are. Temperature measurement is vital in many fields, including cooking, science, and medicine.
We use special tools to measure things. For example, we use rulers to measure length, scales to measure weight, and thermometers to measure temperature. Each tool is designed for a specific type of measurement, making our tasks easier and more accurate. And thermometers to measure temperature. These tools are essential in our daily lives and help us perform tasks with precision.
Each tool gives us important information about the objects we encounter every day. Without these tools, it would be challenging to achieve accuracy in our measurements, which is crucial in many aspects of life.
Imagine trying to bake a cake without measuring cups. The recipe would be a mess, and the cake might not turn out as expected. Precise measurements ensure that we get the desired results. Or build a house without a measuring tape? Accurate measurements are crucial in construction to ensure that everything fits together perfectly and the structure is safe.
Measurement is essential for so many things we do, from cooking and building to scientific research and medical diagnostics. It helps us understand the world in a precise and quantifiable way. To traveling and playing sports. Whether we're calculating the distance of a journey or measuring the speed of a ball, measurement plays a key role in our activities and helps us achieve our goals.
Let's take a closer look at how we use measurement in our daily lives. Measurement is an essential part of our everyday activities, even if we don't always realize it. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are constantly measuring things around us. Imagine you're baking a cake. This is a perfect example of how measurement plays a crucial role in achieving the desired outcome. You need to measure the flour, sugar, and other ingredients precisely. Accurate measurements ensure that your cake turns out perfectly. If you add too much flour, your cake might end up dry and crumbly. On the other hand, if you add too little milk, the cake might be too dense and heavy. This is why following the recipe and measuring ingredients accurately is so important in baking.
Now picture yourself at the grocery store. Measurement is also crucial here. You pick out a big, juicy watermelon. To know how much it costs, the cashier weighs it on a scale. The heavier the watermelon, the more it costs. This is a simple example of how weight and cost are directly related. Understanding this relationship helps us make better decisions while shopping.
And what about when we travel? Measurement helps us plan our trips efficiently. We use measurement to figure out how far we're going and how long it will take us to get there. For instance, if we know the distance to our destination, we can estimate the travel time.
We might say, our trip is 100 miles long and then calculate that it will take us about 2 hours to drive there, assuming we maintain a certain speed. This helps us plan our departure and arrival times, ensuring we reach our destination on schedule. Measurement is truly an integral part of our daily lives, helping us in various tasks and activities. From cooking and shopping to traveling and beyond, understanding and using measurement effectively can make our lives easier and more efficient. So the next time you measure something, remember how important it is and how it impacts your daily life. Measurement is not just a mathematical concept, it's a practical tool that we use every day.
Section 4, measure your world.
Now it's your turn to become a measurement detective.
Grab a ruler and a pencil.
Carefully measure the length of the pencil from one end to the other.
How long is it?
You can measure anything you want.
Measure the length of your shoe, the height of your desk, or even the width of your smile.
The possibilities are endless.
Section 5, keep exploring.
Congratulations, young mathematicians.
You've learned about the importance of measurement and how we use it every day.
From baking cakes to measuring distances, measurement helps us understand and navigate the world around us.
Remember to keep your eyes peeled for measurement in action.
You'll be surprised how often you encounter it throughout your day.
Now go out there and keep exploring the fascinating world of measurement.